this website where there was a product catalog, there was this nav bar, there was this button, and there was this banner and footer. Okay, but now in this video we will do is when we hover on this nav bar, sometimes you see there is a drop down opening up. Okay, so we will do that. Okay, so inside the navbar home, what we will do, we will have a div, and inside the div we will have an image of width will be 300 pixel and height will be 200 pixel, and apple, since we are having images from this apple only, so we will have one from here. Okay, so this is the image we will be using. So, and we will have a text, let's say welcome to Apple Store. We have 10% discount for you, let's say. So you have this, but it doesn't look good. Okay, so what we will do is we will give an ID of home drop, let's say, and this one also will give an ID of home nav. Okay, so let's go over here, hash home drop. We will have width of, let's say, 500 pixel, height, and we will have padding of, let's say, 30 pixels, and background color will be white, text color will be black. So now we will have position. Okay, we want to position it absolute. Position will be absolute, top will be 20 pixels and left will be, let's say, 500 pixels. Let's see how. So top will be, let's say, 40 pixel, let's see, 60. So it's a trial and error. Okay, so this is our drop down. Okay, and we will also have a button over here for a call to action. So HR and here, and here we will be having, so we are giving some space, a line, and then we are having a button, get discount button. Okay, so this is the button. Okay, so let's give it a style of, let's say, background color of, let's say, this one, and color, let's see how does that look, and border none, padding, let's say, 10 pixel and 20 pixel, and you can give border radius of 20 pixel. It will give a round. Okay, and you can also add some more things like this is inside home drop. Okay, so you can give hash home drop on button hover cursor pointer. So now when you hover over this, you get this. So this is working. Now what we will do is, initially we will display this as display none. So this is not displayed initially. When we want to display, when it's hovered on top of home. So when home nav dot hover we want to display, so home drop will be display block, and also home nav dot home drop. So let me explain this. So home nav, when home nav we hover, home drop will be displayed. Okay, see, also on home nav hover, cursor will be pointer. So you see, but you will notice one thing, as soon as we want this to stay. Okay, so see, this is working. Okay, so you hover over this, you click on this, but now nothing will happen. So if you add a link or anything, then it will, let's say instead of a button, if it's anchor tag, and there also let's close it, href hash. So now when you click on this, it should go to a URL. For now it's hash, that's why it's showing like that. And you can obviously so anchor, and we can have home drop a text decoration will be none. So this is working. Okay, so similarly you can do for other navigations, and so let's do one more. Inside, let's say about. Okay, so we are Apple computers, just like that, and let's change the image to something else. And we will give this about drop, and this one's ID will be about nav. Okay, rest all will be same. So what we can do is, let's copy this, and also in CSS you give comments like this. Okay, so let's add a comment just to understand the location. So this is about nav, so this will be about drop, about drop, about nav, about nav, about drop. Let's see. So initially about drop is displayed as none. So this ID was pending, so about drop. So let's check, and also we will change the button name over here. Okay, so button name will be no more. Okay, and we are Apple Computers, founded by Steve Jobs. It's the world's largest computer company. So just giving some text. So let's check this. Let's reload the page. So you see this is working. Okay, so our navigation is working. So you hover away, it's gone. You hover on this and you see based on our hover this is working. So hope you enjoyed this video, you learned something from it. So thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.